This week's recipe is spaghetti with pink sauce, aka blush sauce, aka rose sauce. So starting off with the ingredients here, we've got heavy whipping cream, black pepper, onion powder, oregano, kosher salt, spaghetti noodles, garlic cloves, olive oil, 2 fresh basil leaves, and a big can of crushed tomatoes. That's all you need. So grab a large saucepan, put it on medium heat, and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can eyeball it here. Add all your cloves of chopped garlic, and you want to bring that to a medium heat, and you want to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes over low heat. And I cooked mine a little bit too long, but luckily it didn't burn. So next, add your full can of tomatoes. And now we're going to add all of our spices. This is basic Italian seasoning. So I've got my fresh chopped basil. You can use dried basil. I've got onion powder. Again, just eyeball it with the spices. Not important. Dried oregano here. And then my black pepper, followed up by the kosher salt in an unmarked container. I hope that's salt and not sugar. We'll see. Okay, now you're just going to stir all that together. Make sure that that's well stirred, well combined. And then you're going to put a lid on this, and you're going to turn the heat up a little bit, and you're going to let this reduce for about 20 minutes. And this is the boil you want to have. Throw your lid on. Cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. And then this is the consistency that you want it to look like when it's done reducing. You see how when you draw your wooden spoon through it, it kind of sticks a little bit. It's a little bit chunky. This is exactly what you want. Now comes time to add the heavy cream. Now this is the step that makes it a blush sauce, adding half and half for heavy whipping cream. And I am eyeballing this again. I didn't use the whole container. I used about 3/4. Go ahead and add that cream and then slowly mix that in. You want to turn your heat down a little bit here so you don't have bubbles popping all over your kitchen counter or your stove. But spend some time just fully folding that sauce in, and you can see it's transforming from a regular red spaghetti sauce into a blush sauce or a pink sauce. That's it, guys. Now, I've went ahead and I've cooked some spaghetti on the side. Oh, really quick, you want to reduce this as well. So cook this for about 15 minutes over medium heat, and this is the texture you want. Okay, there's my cooked spaghetti. You're actually going to pour this into the saucepan, and then you're going to slowly fold the sauce into the pasta. Just very slowly so you don't make a mess. It won't take very long. Just kind of slowly back and forth fold this, back and forth. This took me about a minute. With the magic of film, I'm fast forwarding it. And there's no rush here. Just take your time. This is a very zen moment for you. All your hard work has come to a T here. And then basically just garnish it with some fresh parmesan and a couple basil leaves. You can chop those basil leaves up and sprinkle them, or you can put them on their whole like that. And there you go. Pasta sauce with blush sauce.